Alright, hi there. This is Lab 11, the final project for E445L, and this is Steven and Ammar. We created a guitar tuner. The goal of it was to measure sound waves and then transform it into the frequency domain and be able to basically tune a guitar or tune voices or anything to its highest frequency, and then have the feedback from the system be used to help us better tune our voices. So the interface for it is we have an LCD screen right here. As you can clearly see, it shows the mode of your FFT, in hertz, and then it also shows the FFT in real time with our voices. So right now you can see that I am talking and then it's picking up my voice on the screen. Button-wise, we have 4 buttons. There's the reset button right here that will turn the system on and off. There is an on-off switch on the noise, so you can turn on and off the test sound, like so. When the sound is on, you can press these buttons to change the frequency of your target's noise. So as you can hear there, we just changed the frequency, and then like so we're changing it again, and then it'll go down like so, sounding very beautiful while we do that. So that's the specifications on the interface for it. Hardware-wise, we have, as I said, the LCD screen and 4 buttons, but we also, of course, have a speaker hooked up using a DAC and an audio amp over here. And then on the inside of the machine, we have a microphone set up for actually reading sound waves into the microcontroller. We have that hooked up with resistors and a high frequency audio pass filter, a low frequency audio pass filter, I'm sorry. We also have pins for debugging, and which we use to make sure that our hardware was working correctly. We have a heartbeat LED right here, and then a voltage regulator to keep power at a constant 3.3 volts. We're powered by 4 AA batteries right here for the microcontroller, and that's about it on the hardware side of this. We have a lot of resistors and capacitors, of course, as well. Software-wise, there's 3 interrupts. There's the interrupt for sound generation, there's an interrupt for the ADC converter, and then there's interrupts for the buttons as well to read inputs into the LCD screen. So the main loop was mostly focused on processing the data and turning into FFT and then displaying that on the screen, while interrupts dealt with just about everything else. The box was made in the makerspace. We used the laser cutter to make the general template, and then we used wood glue to put it all together. It's very nice, very firm, looks sturdy, and I like it myself. That's about it on our project. It works well, and we're very happy with the result. Thank you for your time.